Our goal here at Live Well Chiropractic was to create a world-class healing center. We're always looking for the new and greatest and latest technology to help accelerate the healing process with the best results, with a little amount of time, but also with a little side effect. So I found a brand new instrument and stuff that check marks all three of those boxes off with an A++. It's actually our new S-Wave technology, S-Wave being sauna wave or even sound wave technology. What it utilizes is actually high frequency or high power ultrasound waves that actually penetrate through the body. These specific sound waves and stuff are at a certain frequency. What they do is stimulate the body's healing process. If any of you have had an injured tissue that's not repaired in about 4 to 6 weeks, your body kind of loses the ability, kind of almost ignores that problem, and they become chronic issues. And I know you've all had that, whether it be a shoulder, a joint, or a knee issue and stuff. It just never gets better. Your body kind of almost gives up trying to heal it. This sound wave technology actually re-stimulates the body to actually regenerate that tissue, which is really phenomenal. The sound waves penetrate the body. It actually stimulates each cell to release what's called cytokines. Cytokines is your body's flags or signals that there's an injury there, your body has to repair it. So what we found is some injuries and stuff that's been 20, 30 years, it actually helps your body start the healing process. It increases vascular supply, extra blood supply to that area. It also stimulates stem cell growth. Stem cells are baby cells. They help replace the old damaged cells. And then the third thing this technology does, it actually shuts off pain receptors at that site. So not only immediately do you feel better, patients feel greater range of motion, but they also, over the next 4 to 6 weeks after the treatment, start to actually regenerate tissues and joints and stuff and actually repair. Basically, this instrument really helps your body turn back the clock of time to where you were 20 years ago before you had the injury. We've had amazing results with this instrument with all kinds of health issues, from shoulders and knees to lower back and sciatic problems, to even disc injuries, to even plantar fasciitis. All these tissues and stuff are not really healing and regenerating. And with this technology, we're actually able to see them get complete resolution and actually see the body work the way it's designed to be. What's great about this instrument, you only need a total of 3 treatments on a weekly basis. And then over the next 4 to 6 weeks, your body does some amazing healing. And only about 10% of the people after that 6-week period actually need another session. So it's that effective, that's that easy to do. So sound wave and S-wave sounds like it's something you'd like to check out to see how it can help your joints regenerate, stimulate stem cells, turn off pain receptors, and really get back to the life you want to live. Definitely let us know. Check out also some of the testimonies that we have down below here, some amazing stories. It even blows my mind when I hear them. I'm sure it will be too. And hopefully this is going to be the next level of your health to get you back to the life you want to live.